natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we see the same action, positive MACD seeing signs of a converge, and we're back at overbought condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $16.80, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $18.72. My stop loss is at $16.20. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $19.36, and that is this range here. My stop target is at $17.44, and my stop loss is at $20.05. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, and we're examining UNG. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 7.1%. To the downside, has a 25% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7.1%, and a 25% chance to fall between negative 7.1 to negative 14.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.